commerce for this wonderful celebration. Thank you all for coming together with us this evening and creating this enchanting evening.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, so we're here tonight in Riverside, California, celebrating the holiday festival of lights. Everyone has their own hot chocolate. That guy's just standing out there saying hot chocolate, hot chocolate.
Like, I don't know, just, I was like, but I know, like, since crazy,
So there's this local gingerbread stand here, and we've got their famous hot cocoa. It's called the Coco Loco. So I am local for the cocoa, so let's try this out. Oh yeah. It's good. It's
that's good.
Right?
No, this is good. Is it worth the wait? Yeah, I think
so.
I think it's worth the wait. Definitely, I would wait it another 20 minutes.
These marshmallows you can eat on the side.
The lion or you wait for
All right. right, so that's the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this festival of lights here at Riverside at the Mission. And
Yeah, it's pouring down on us, but we're just gonna call it a night.
yeah, until next time.
Peace.